Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. It's been a while I uploaded due to some reasons, but I'm fully back now. I'm documenting my trading journey from zero to millions of dollars. But here is the first video. But basically, let's just first go to my strategy. Now, I'll start documenting my trade from Monday to Friday. Every single trade I enter, how I enter, the profit I make, the loss I took, everything. So basically, let's first go into my strategy. My strategy is just supply and demand zones as my entry. So what I firstly do whenever I wake up is going to the 4-hour time frame to check the direction of the market. So once I get the direction of the market on 4-hour time frame, let's say for instance, market is in an uptrend on 4-hour time frame. It's trending up. Then somewhere around there, then I'll come over to 50 minutes time frame. And what I want to be seeing is 50 minutes order flow to also be bullish. If the 50 minutes order flow is not bullish right here, then I'll hold my hands. I'll fold my hands. But if the 50 minutes order flow is bullish, then I'll take a decision for buy. But if price broke this high on 4-hour time frame, if price broke this high on 4-hour time frame, what I want to be seeing on 50 minutes is a change of character on 50 minutes time frame. Then I'll be able to sell for the correctional move. Then buy again once price gets to the 50% level of the 4-hour time frame. That's just basically my strategy. Now, as my entry, I'll talk about liquidity maybe in the next video. I use swing highs and lows for liquidity. That's just it. You can see this liquidity right here. Immediately price push up, it come down, broke this level, and then go up immediately. This low is serving as liquidity because it broke this high. That's why price come back, swept that liquidity. I placed my limit order here, then boom to the upside. Knowing the direction of the market first, because the 4-hour time frame is what is bullish. You can see right here. This is an impulsive, this is a correction, then another impulsive. I don't want to talk a lot more in this video. So maybe the next video, I'm going to dive into my real strategy. I'm going to give everything with details, write everything out. So just make sure you be part of this channel. Now on Monday, why did I took this trade? The first thing is that the direction of the market is bullish. So when I wake up, I can see that price came here, sweep this low, and then move up. Now where is the area I want to buy from again? If I have to buy after the sweep of this liquidity, and there's also this imbalance right here, where would it be? There's also this liquidity right here. The highest place I can buy from this 50-minute swing, because this is swing low and this is swing high. I want to buy from this discount zone. That's why I got in here, and I get out. I have somewhere another place. That's why I got this trade on Monday. Now on Wednesday rather. On Wednesday, I think this trade is on Tuesday. Why this one is on Wednesday? The structure of the market is still bullish. It's very, very obvious. So what I want to be seeing is a liquidity sweep at my point of interest. So when I wake up, I saw price somewhere around here. Then price create this liquidity. Why am I saying that this is a liquidity? Because it broke this high and come back to sweep that low, tap into a demand zone, then boom to the upside. So the first thing I firstly identify is the direction of the market. Directional bias, liquidity, then PY. That's all. That's just all. That's all. Direction of the market, liquidity, and PY. Same thing happens to this one right here. same thing happens. I wanted to buy because this is an impulsive, right? This is an impulsive. This is a correctional. Now, there is an imbalance right here below this level of liquidity. Let me delete this one so that you guys can see very well. There's an imbalance right here. There's liquidity right here, and there's a demand zone. So I want price to just come into this zone, tap into that level of liquidity, and then price should go up immediately. So this is what I'm actually expecting right here. So I was placing my stop loss here. They might take profit. I was thinking that, but price did not tap me that day. That's on Thursday. Now on Friday, the market is the bullish. The 4 hours time frame is bullish. 15 minutes time frame too is bullish. Where will I enter? From 15 minutes time frame demand zone, a discount demand zone with a liquidity. As you see very clearly right here, there's a liquidity here. This is an impulsive, a correctional. Then price create this equal liquidity, only for price to push up and then drop immediately, tap into it and start going up. Although I've already closed this trade somewhere around there because I don't want to hold trade overnight because I'm a day trader. I only open trade a day and close it that day. That's it. So that's not the direction of the market first. I firstly identify the direction of the market, then liquidity and my point of interest. That's all my strategy. So that will be all in this video. By the next video, I'm going to dive into details of how my strategy works, really how my strategy works. So if you want to be part of this journey, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like and comment below. Bye for now.